All right, so as a proof of the portability of this code, based on the fact that I used these APIs, which makes it more portable, I'm going to run the previous code on the Nordic nRF9151 board without changing anything here. And to prove that, I'm going to clean to remove all artifacts from the previous build, and then I will come to configure, change board, and then I'll choose nRF9151, so this board here, and then I'll change workspace to use the Nordic workspace. I'll build once again. Still waiting for build to complete. It has finished now, so I can flash the firmware to my Nordic board. And so I'm going to switch here. There are buttons here, so I don't know which button is S0, but okay, if I press this, you see that it comes on. If I release, it goes off. So press, release, press, release. Because it's none of these buttons, they don't respond, right? Look at it, they don't respond. But if I press this one, then it comes on. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.